How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a console application that demonstrates barcode scanning and generation using IronBarcode. So let's get started. First, let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see, I've already installed the barcode package from Iron Software. This package provides all the functionality we need for both scanning and generating barcodes in our application. So let's take a look at our Program.cs file. And in the main method, we have three method calls. We have scan barcode from image, scan barcode from PDF, and create barcode. These methods demonstrate the different capabilities of IronBarcode. So let's examine each one in detail. The first method is scan barcode from image. This method reads barcodes from an image file using barcodereader.read, passing in the file path. The method returns a collection of barcode results. We then use a for each loop to iterate through all detected barcodes and print each barcode value to the console using console.writeLine. This is useful when an image might contain multiple barcodes. So let me hover over the image path to show you the barcode we'll be scanning. Here's the barcode image. It contains the URL that we're going to extract. Next is the scan barcode from PDF method. And this method works similarly, but is designed specifically for PDF documents. We'll call barcodereader.read with the PDF file path, which returns a collection of all the barcodes found in the PDF. Using a for loop, we iterate through the results and print each barcode value along with its index number. Let me show you the PDF invoice we'll be scanning. This invoice contains multiple barcodes, including invoice number and product codes that we'll extract. The create barcode method demonstrates barcode generation. We use barcode writer.createBarcode, passing in the data string and the encoding type code 128. After creating the barcode, we resize it to 600 by 400 pixels using the resize to method for better visibility. Finally, we save the barcode as a PNG using save as PNG with the desired file path. This generates a high-quality barcode image that can be printed or used in applications. So let's go ahead and run the application and see the results. All right, the console window opens and starts processing. And first, it scans the image file and displays the barcode value, which is the IronBarcode website URL. Then it processes the PDF invoice and extracts 5 barcodes, displaying them as barcode 1 through barcode 5 with their respective values. As you can see in the output, the first barcode value is the URL from our single barcode image. Then we have 5 barcodes extracted from the PDF invoice INV 100-200. That's the invoice number. Followed by 4 product codes, MH12 XS Blue, MH13 XS Lavender, MH11 XL Orange, and MH12 XS Blue. So this demonstrates 4 complex documents that are all extracted perfectly. So let me show you the generated barcode that was created by our create barcode method. Here's the barcode.png file. And as you can see, it's a clean code 128 barcode with the dimensions we specified, 600 by 400 pixels. Barcode encodes our numeric string and is ready to be printed or integrated into any application. And that's it. Now you have a complete understanding of how to scan barcodes from images and PDFs, as well as generate custom barcodes using IronBarcode. This functionality can be easily integrated into web applications, desktop software, or even mobile backends. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for the trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out.